Hello everyone, this is Irina Blount from La La Land Craft, just popping in with the really quick video to show you the projects that we will be making at the Craft Along event on February 6th, that's Sunday. On February 5th, we're going to do Color Along event, so there will be two events next weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And this is mainly for the Club La La Land Crafts January 2022 club kit. So let me show you really quick what comes with the kit. In the club kit, you'll get two large dies. These two borders measure 5 3/4 long. So we have the houses and then we have the park die. And then it comes with two rubber stamps. We have roller skating Marcy. I already cut off one of the sentiments from the rubber stamp because I used it on the card. And then it comes with the stamp set called At the Park with two cute raccoons and a bunch of sentiments. And these are, as I mentioned, part of the Club La La Land Crafts. If you are not part of our club yet, you'll just need to go to lalalandcrafts.com. lalalandcrafts.com and click on Club La La Land Crafts and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe by January 31st to start your subscription with this amazing kit if you like what you see. So now let me show you what we're going to color. On Saturday we're going to color this Marcy and this Marcy. So we have, this is the same Marcy, but I'm going to show you two different ways to color her. And then we're going to color raccoons. And they're pretty much the same, the ones I have on the card here and the ones I just colored. The scooter and the kite, different colors, but they're colored the same way. So this will be coloring. And then on Sunday, we are going to do the Craft Along, where we're going to make two of these cards. So this card with Marcy, I used the stamps and dies from the Club of the Month, and I used some of the additional dies. I'll add the links to all of the additional products in the video description below. So this is Marcy here, and I use the houses from the club kit, and this is from the park border, the elements, and I finished it on the inside like that, and then I have a little more embellishments on the back. So additional products for this card I used are the photo elements, so that's the frame here, and then we have sun and cloud borders, we have stitched ribbons, and this is from Sun and Clouds, and then we have, let me see if I have it here. Yeah, we have the star wreath that comes with the set of two. I just used the larger one, and I think that's all I used. Additional ones I used on this card, and on both of the cards I used this paper pack called Spring Has Sprung. All of the supplies or all of these products are in our online store. I'll add all of the measurements for the card in the video description as well, so you can cut the layers ahead of time. I used white cardstock and gold metallic cardstock. And then for the second card, this is the box card here. So as you know, you can display it like this. It folds flat for mailing. And I like how it has the edge of it, the top of it is shaped as a clouds, and for that I used our stitched clouds border. Then we have our houses here. I also used, I don't have it handy, scallop rectangles to create all these little scallops there. And then on the back we have a pocket, so that's the tall pocket die. And then we have a tag, and this is from large stitch tags. You can write a message here, you can put a photo on here, you can add the gift card in the pocket. So it's finished on the sides, it's finished on the back, and it has really cute area here for our raccoons to play in the park. So these are the two projects that we will be making. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick overview, and I hope to see you for this craft along and color along events. Thank you so much. Bye for now.